Hey everybody, I'm super fired up today. Got a new kettlebell. Always a good day. So excited I wanted to share it with you just right off the bat. Okay, you ready? It's gonna blow you away. Ready? Ta-da! Look at that. It's 5 pounds. I'm just kidding. Let's go look at the real one. Hey everybody, J. Scott Helms here, and today we're going to talk about a new kettlebell that I just got. Super excited to get into this. It is not the one I held up earlier. That is a real kettlebell. It's a little 5-pounder from Yes For All. I actually ordered 2 of these just because, well, I wanted them. I'll put a link to these down below. They're pretty cool. I'll put a link down below with the other one. But the one we're going to talk about today is one of the Rogue Fitness E Coat Kettlebells. I just got this thing. It took a while to get, and I'm super excited about it. So I'm going to turn this camera. We're going to cut the box open and take a look at it. I don't know what to do with my hands today. All right, here we go. Okay, so here's how it showed up, just like this. It's still in the box. Give you a quick look around. Shipping label. The great state of Michigan. Alright, so I'm going to talk a little bit about this while I open it up. So if you're not familiar with these E Coat kettlebells, these are a somewhat new offering from Rogue Fitness. And the cool thing about these is they are made in the United States. They're actually cast in Cadillac, Michigan at Cadillac Casting. These are supposed to be really nice kettlebells. Now, as I said before, it took a little while to get it. I ordered this a while back. All right, we got a box in a box. So let's bust that one open. So, as I was saying, these are made here in the States. We got styrofoam. We got a lot of styrofoam. Cleaning this up till Christmas. All right, here we go. All right, so a little bit of styrofoam. Now it's wrapped in plastic. So let's take this thing out. All right, pardon the mess. Here we go. So on this side, embossed 24 kilograms, that's 53 pounds for you non-metrics. The other side, we got made in the USA, Rogue. And that is a nice kettlebell. All right, so it's got a good flat bottom on it. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll bring the camera in. We'll take a better look at it in a second. That finish is really nice. We'll zoom in and take a good look at it. Get you a side view there. All right, let's get the camera down here and take a look at it. All right, so here we go. Let's take a quick walk around. So what I was saying with these E Coat kettlebells by Rogue Fitness, as I said, they're made in the US, Cadillac, Michigan, which is really cool in and of itself. So this newish line for them, it has this E Coat finish, and it's some kind of finish that was developed for the automotive industry, and it's supposed to resist wear, and it goes on a little thinner than some of the powder coats and the other types of coatings that go on these kettlebells. So let's hit some of the high points real quick while I'm showing you this. So you can see this side, it's got the Rogue and the Made in USA. All right, flip this thing around. So on this side, you got your 24 kg and your 53 pounds. Get a look at this handle. Right. You see a little bit of a seam there. However, this is one piece of cast ductile iron. And all the ductile means is that it's a stronger iron. It's resistant to cracking and chipping. So it should hold up better when you're banging them around. And I'll be able to let you know that in a month or so. So another thing with this E Coat finish, it goes on kind of thin, so you can still feel the casting of the iron in there, but the coating is going to make it easier to clean up. It's not going to get water on there and start rusting from your sweat or humidity if you're keeping them outside. You're supposed to be able to just wipe these things off. Now, as I said, this one's the 53 pounder. They actually make these in like a dozen sizes. If I remember correctly, they run from 9 pounds up to 88 pounds. And I can tell you that this one, the 53 pounder, was 70 bucks. Not bad. Shipping was like, and I want to say it was around 20 bucks, 18 or 20 bucks. So you're still under 100 bucks for an American-made kettlebell shipped right to your door. Your UPS guy might be mad, but it's worth it. So, see, what else can I tell you about these? It's a single piece of iron. The handle diameter, that's a good one. They have 3 different sizes on the handle diameters. They run from 1.2 inches to 1.5 inches. And 1.2 inches is going to give you like 30 millimeters, or right around there. And the 1.5, carry the one, it's like 38 millimeters. Yeah, that sounds good. All right, so flip this thing over. Let's take a look at the bottom of it. So it's good and flat. Again, you can see a little bit of wear where they ground it, but it does have a good smooth bottom. There's no lip or edge there. Looks pretty good. Hard to say, but I doubt there's any wobble. It's sitting on the cushion here on the bench. So, all right, you have a good wide width here on the handle. You can easily get 2 hands on that thing. And I'll reposition the camera here and get my hands on it and give you an idea what it looks like. All right, hold tight. All right, so give you an idea of the window width here. So I've got average size hands here. So there's grabbing hold of the horns. So you still got plenty of room in here. You're not going to be busting your knuckles on it. 2 hands on top. You've got all kinds of room. One-handed. All right, so not too bad. The handle feels good. It's not exactly smooth. There's a little bit of texture to it, but there's no seam, there's no casting line in there, no sharp edges. It's a slight bit rough, but I actually like that. I swing with chalk, so that really probably won't bother you. Like I said, no sharp edges. So that E-coat that's on here, you might not be able to tell with my camera, but it gives kind of a semi-gloss finish. It's not quite as shiny as it seems to look on my camera there. But I think it seems pretty durable. There are no edges around the handle. Like I said, it's all one piece, so there shouldn't be any anywhere. Another look there. Holding it here. All right. So that's pretty good. I really like this. All right. Let's see what else I can show you about it here. There is a little bit of grinding on the side where they cleaned the flashing off of it, but it's not bad. A couple of little tiny pits, but the finish is very even across it. I don't see any runs. I don't see that it's dripped anywhere. And it's sanded or cleaned up really well. The base does seem very smooth. I'll try that out on the floor in a little bit here, but I really like it. I think it's a damn good kettlebell. All right, hang on. All right, so first impressions of this kettlebell. It's great. The finish feels really good. It's a lot better than, say, some of the enamel ones that you get that's just slick and smooth. I actually like having a little bit of texture. It's just 53 pounds, but like I said, they do have that kettlebell. It ranges from 9 to 88 pounds. And I don't remember what the prices start at, but this 53 pounder was 70 bucks. with about $18 to $20 in shipping. I'm not sure where Rogue's cutoff is for free shipping, but I got it. It'd take about 3 weeks to get, and that was actually after waiting 2 months or so for them to get back in stock. But I was willing to do it because that's the first and only American-made kettlebell that I have. Again, I know I've said this 3 or 4 times. It's cast in Cadillac, Michigan, which is really, really cool. I would like to see a lot of this fitness equipment come back to the States. We wouldn't have the shortages we probably have now if that was the case. By the way, I looked when it showed up today. Every size but 2 is in stock on their website, and that's September 28th, 2020. This is a great kettlebell. I've done a few swings with it just to see what it felt like, and with no chalk, you know, it didn't rub my hands raw, even though you can feel a little bit of a texture to it. And I think it's going to work out great. Can't say enough nice stuff about it. Now I'm going to do a couple of workouts with it, and I might come back and revisit it after I've had a couple of hours swinging it. But right now, thrilled with it. I tell you what, if you're going to go check one of these out, and I will put links down below to Rogue Fitness and to the web page where the E Coat kettlebells are. They're different than their standard kettlebells, so check them out. I think they're great. Also, I will put links to these in case you'd like a couple of 5-pounders. These are pretty awesome. These are not Rogue, so I will put them in the description down below. They're 5-pounders. Just kind of cool, you know. Hope I can get a couple swings with these. Really work something with them. Anyway, if you have any questions, comments, anything, leave it in the comment section down below. If you got something out of this video, please give me a like. Please subscribe. Those 2 things don't cost you anything. They really help me out in the channel, and I really, really appreciate it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again in a couple days.